Hi everybody, it's Miss Jenichen. Happy Monday. If you are in my class or you have been in my class, you know that every Monday we try to do a mindfulness or motivational activity. And I got this book from the book fair this year, ABC Mindful Me by Christiane Engel, and I never got a chance to read it to my class this year. So I thought right now would be a perfect time for our Mindful Monday for me to read this book to you. Okay, here we go. What does it mean to be mindful? Follow us through the alphabet and you will see. Practicing mindfulness is as easy as A, B, C. So what we're going to see is a bunch of words that start with each letter of the alphabet that have to do with mindfulness, which just kind of means being aware of what you're thinking and what you're feeling, and how to make yourself go from being sad or angry or frustrated to being happy or calm. If you saw my first read aloud video of The Color Monster, that was a book that I read to my class for another Mindful Monday. Okay? So just to remind you, this is ABC Mindful Me by Christiane Engel. A, awareness. Pay attention to your world. It's full of surprises, beautiful things in all shapes and sizes. B, breathe. It's a joy to be alive. Breathe in, breathe out. That's what it's all about. So mindfulness is being aware and breathing. C, compassion. Spread your love. Show that you care. Compassion is for us to share. D, dream. Dream with us. Let your thoughts fly. Together we can reach the sky. E, energy. Pay attention to your energy. Is it high or very low? Either way, just remember it will always flow. F, feelings. How do you feel? Angry, happy, scared, stressed? These rocks with faces might help you express. G, giving. Giving is fun. You've grown out of your clothes. Maybe someone else would like to have those. H, helpful. Try being helpful. Do something for free. It feels amazing. You'll agree. I, inspire. Get inspired by nature. Find some leaves, a stick or two. You'll be surprised at what you can do. J, joy. Joy is all around you. Find it in the little things and feel the happiness it brings. K, kindness. Do a kind thing. Help someone who's in trouble. Happiness that is shared counts for double. L, love. Love is wonderful. It brings us together, and it stays in our hearts forever. In my class, we learned the sign language which means I love you. I love you. Love. M, meditation. Find your inner peace. Be still. Breathe in the fresh air. Meditation will guide you there. N, namaste. Close your eyes. Bow to your heart. Thank you all for taking part. Whether or not you do yoga or anything like that, namaste just means that my feelings feel your feelings. Oh, outdoors. Let's play outside. Whatever the weather, it will surely make you feel a little bit better. P, present. Not present like a gift, but let go of your worries. Be present or here and now. Making a mandala can show you how. A mandala is kind of like a pattern with different things. So on this page, it's showing you that you can practice mindfulness by going outside or by being present with nature and appreciating everything it has to offer you. Q, quiet. Enjoy the silence. Settle down and take a rest. In your quiet place, you'll feel blessed. Blessed means happy or calm. Relaxation, R. Move to the music. Stretch in your own special way. Make relaxation a part of your day. You can practice mindfulness by either being quiet, like this, relaxing. And for some people, relaxing might be dancing or stretching, and for some people, relaxing might be laying down or sitting quietly. Either way, you're being mindful and feeling how your body is feeling. S, sleep. Go to sleep, arms and hands. Go to sleep, legs and feet. May your dreams be fun and sweet. T, thankfulness. We talked about this during Thanksgiving time, huh? Thankfulness. What is it you are most thankful for? Be sure to tell your family and friends. Being thankful never ends. U, universe. Everyone is part of it. We are all part of the same universe. We're all connected. No matter how big or small, the universe connects us all. In this picture, you can see lots of the constellations in the sky. I know my class in February, we went to the planetarium and we got to see how big the universe really is. V, vegetables. From seed to plant. Healthy veggies for my tummy. Thank you, Earth. They are so yummy. You might show mindfulness by looking up at the sky and seeing the birds in the sky or even the stars if it's nighttime. And you also might practice mindfulness by appreciating the vegetables and the fruit that you eat because they all came from the earth, right? W, walk. Go out and take a mindful walk. Carefully listen, look, and smell. Amazing things you'll have to tell. X marks the spot. There's a special place in nature waiting just for you. Explore and be curious, and you'll find it too. You can be mindful by going outside, taking walks. I know right now we're kind of being quarantined in our houses, but you can still go out and take walks and explore as long as you're staying away from other people, right? Y, yoga. Plank like a crocodile. Stretch like a tiger. Practice yoga and you'll feel wiser. Yoga is just a kind of stretching. Whether you practice it or not, it's a way to be mindful. Z is for Zen, and Zen means peace or calm. Can everyone show me peace with your fingers? Good. I know in my class we were talking about mindfulness, and one of my students showed me what this little girl is doing by sitting crisscross applesauce with her finger and her thumb touching. And this page says, be one with your body, be one with your mind. Oh, what happiness you will find. What is mindfulness? So here's a little summary about mindfulness. Being mindful means paying attention to the present moment, which means right now, which will help you to calm your mind and body so you can find peace and happiness within yourself, even if you're feeling upset. Mindfulness can be practiced by taking a walk, breathing, or meditating. By being mindful, you'll be able to better understand your emotions and your worries, especially at this time where everyone's feeling a little bit worried. Practicing mindfulness and breathing and doing things that calm your mind and calm your body are going to be really helpful when you try to learn. Awareness of the world around you will also help you to have a positive attitude and be more compassionate. The end. I hope you enjoyed the book, ABC Mindful Me by Christiane Engel. I really wanted to read this book to my class. I got it from the book fair, but unfortunately we didn't get the chance to, so I'm sharing it here with you all. I hope that on this Monday you can find one of these ways to practice mindfulness and to make sure that you are taking care of not only your bodies, but your mind's health too. Okay? Love you all. Happy Monday. Bye.